Hot, humid with showers and storms and pretty much a steam bath this afternoon if you've encountered the rain. We'll take a little tour with NBC29's exclusive dual-pole triple Doppler radar. Still some downpours west of Charlottesville, especially as you get out toward Free Union, Crozet, Whitehall, up toward Doylesville, and that lifting up toward Dike in western Greene County. And then some activity between Rockfish and Lovingston. More showers developing here. Activities generally moving off to the northeast at about 15 to 20 miles an hour. Some heavier thunder showers just northeast of Orange up toward Culpeper. Again, that lifting off to the northeast as well. And then we've got some thunder showers in progress from Harrisonburg, some steadier rain, especially along and to the west of I-81 through Augusta County. And throughout the course of the afternoon, we've seen the activity develop here. Some heavier downpours, some lightning, certainly some gusty winds in spots. All this is ahead of a slow-moving frontal boundary that's still to our west. Now, we could still pop an isolated severe storm, one that could produce some damaging wind gusts or some spotty hail, but overall the severe threat is fairly low. Here's a time lapse over the last 3 hours, and we can see the thunder showers roll in here this afternoon. They hit right at 5 o'clock, heavier downpours, and again, as we look at our current number, we're at 81. We fall into the 70s once the rain initially hit after a high of 90, but it feels like 86. Dew points are very high. This is tropical. When you get dew points above 70, that's air you can wear, and we've had nearly 4/10 of an inch of rainfall from this afternoon. 74 in Weir's Cave, 86 the afternoon high, and just shy of 2/10 of an inch of rainfall. So again, some locations have been rain cooled in the 70s. Others are recovering after the rain from earlier, but we're basically in the upper 80s and low 90s today. Overnight lows in the upper 60s, low 70s. We'll still run the risk of a few showers or a thunderstorm here even for the late night period. And then tomorrow, our best chance of rain is really in the morning, maybe a thunderstorm. It looks like the better chance of storms tomorrow will fire well to our east, especially east of Route 15. We'll jump into the middle 80s tomorrow, mid to upper 80s, I should say. But the humidity drops off as we get into tomorrow night and Friday. Friday's a nice day. Much of Saturday looks dry. We could see some showers arrive late Saturday night. So we have a front that's east of Chicago. Severe weather more organized across the Ohio Valley up into Ohio, eastern Michigan, and what's left of the rainy remnants of Cristobal is up across eastern Canada north of Lake Superior. But this front will be pushing through by tomorrow, and by Friday we'll certainly notice a difference in the humidity. So here we are this evening, still dealing with some thunder showers around. Even late tonight there could be something isolated, but first thing tomorrow morning, some showers at our doorstep, maybe a clap of thunder, but most of the bigger storms tomorrow fire off to the east, especially east of I-95. By early Friday morning, we're in the upper 50s and lower 60s. A pleasant day on Friday, generally in the middle 80s, and again, that humidity quite lower. So some scattered thunder showers here this evening. Warm and muggy conditions, upper 60s, lower 70s. Likely some patchy fog early. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Again, the humidity will break here for Friday into the start of the weekend. Looks like some better chances of rain and some more unsettled conditions for the first part of next week.